A lot of recipes call for canned tomatoes, so we need to have a serious conversation. There are two important things that you always have to look for when you're buying canned tomatoes, okay? They are not all the same. So first of all, you want to buy whole, not already chopped canned tomatoes. The whole tomatoes inside the can ensure that the flavor of the tomato stays fresh, stays locked in. So you're going to open the can and you're going to just blitz it in the blender, or you're going to squeeze it together with your hands. The next thing that you are looking for is that they are plain. You don't want Italian flavored canned tomatoes. That is going to say that you're going to have flavors from a factory going into your food. Absolutely not. You are the one that is responsible for the freshness. You're going to add the basil, you're going to add the rosemary, you're going to add the garlic, and that is going to make all the difference. Fresh tomatoes are not available all year round. Well, they might be available, but they're not good all year round. They're good in the summer. So canned tomatoes give us an option for sauce through all the time. They are fabulous for like an eggplant parmigiana, a regular plain tomato sauce, spaghetti squash primavera, making slow-cooked chickens like a chicken alla cacciatora. It is not a cop-out to use canned tomatoes. Italians do it all the time. What is important is that you choose the right ones, and now you know.